so excited today to walk you through your brand new starter kit. Okay, so this is what your starter kit looks like. If you got an oil starter kit, we call it the premium starter kit. Beautiful, gorgeous packaging. I just want to show you because, so there's actually 2 layers to this beautiful baby. And I'm going to show you, I have it all taken apart, but I want you to know, like, so when you open it, you probably saw it looking like this. Make sure that you pull this beautiful little tab here, right here, because underneath there's all this space, and I have all of it out right now, but there's a whole other level under there where you have 2 more oils and more goodies. And I like to point that out because I've had people literally years later tell me that they did not find their Peace and Calming or whatever. So here we are. I want you to be well aware of all the things that you got. So here we go. I'm going to give you a really quick run through of the oils that you got in your kit. And of course, there is endless amounts of knowledge on these oils, and you can always reach out for more information. Jump in our Wild and Free Facebook team, reach out to your enroller. We are here for you. Don't feel overwhelmed, okay? And if you do feel overwhelmed, it's very normal. Okay, so here we go. Peppermint. My favorite uses for peppermint include sticking that in some brownies, putting that in a, like if you ever get that discomfort in the back of your neck, that's awesome for peppermint. Very uplifting and awakening. Lemon, and I will note, just make sure you know that all the ones with the white labels, it's kind of like super user friendly to know that they are good to go for ingestion. We've gone through extra steps so that the FDA allows us to label them for ingestion. Pretty special. Lemon, I love that in my water every single day. Great to help support liver function. Also great to be used in place of Goo Gone. Yes, Goo Gone. Okay, Thieves, that is our major immune supporter. Love our Thieves. Citrus Fresh smells so good. I run this in my mudroom because we have chickens and horses and I have smelly boys. Digize, digestion, your best friend. If you have a digestive system, it will be your best friend at some point in your life. Okay. Raven, that is a respiratory support oil. On the chest is nice and your diffuser is nice. Valor, I wear this oil almost every single day. Great for confidence, great for emotions. Just smells darn good. Love that. Has also lovingly been called chiropractor in a bottle. Panaway is good for all those sore muscles. Put it all over your soreness. You will be so happy. Lavender, oh my gosh, endless uses, the Swiss Army knife of oils. Use that to help with sleep, use that for dings and dangs, bruises. It's a wonderful oil, very multi-purposed oil. Frankincense, that is your skin oil. Very grounding, spiritual, immune boosting, awesome oil. You, again, very multifaceted. 2 extra oils that are in the bottom are going to be your Stress Away. Some people love to say that that is like vacation in a bottle. Very vanilla, limey, yummy smell. And one of my other personal favorites is Peace and Calming. Great for sleep. If my boys come running in and they have a ding or a dang, I love to get Peace and Calming right on top of their head to kind of like calm the atmosphere before I take care of any blood or dings or dangs. Sometimes the items underneath your oils can change, and even the oils can change just because of supply constraints. But mostly this is basically the nuts and bolts and will look pretty similar. So if you're going through your kit and it's different, reach out to me, reach out to your enroller and say, hey, why does my kit look a little different? And we can clear that right up for you. Ooh, the other thing we have here is a roller filament. So if you have a favorite oil, say you want to be able to take your stress away in your purse with you and roll that on your neck, on your arms, everywhere, because you have a stressful job or you just absolutely love the scent of that. You can take off the little plastic bit and you put that in and then take your top and screw that on there and it clicks in. So that's really handy. You get 2 of those with your kit. Okay. Then we have Thieves. spray. This is so nice to keep in your purse. At the grocery store, you can wipe down the cart if you want to. You can just have that for anything, even at a restaurant. You take your kids to the restaurant, you need to wipe down the surface. It's so handy to just be able to have that little like cleaner on the go. Such a great formula, super handy. And then our hand sanitizer. Love this hand sanitizer, and we are so fortunate that we can call it hand sanitizer. There's none of the bad stuff in there like denatured alcohol. We actually use the alcohol properties from peppermint oil to give it its germ fighting ability. So we love this product, no toxins, it's so good. And then the last thing that you're going to find in your kit is our Ningxia Red. You get 2 samples of Ningxia Red. If it's your first time having Ningxia, I highly recommend put it in a bottle of water, or at least 8 ounces of water. And you can even put like a drop of the Citrus Fresh or a drop of the lemon, delicious. And this is your major antioxidant. This comes from the Ningxia Wolfberry, and it is so good for all of your body systems that, you know, we try to drink it every single day. Has all of your amino acids in it, has so much electrolytes, there's so much goodness. If you want more info and want to go down the rabbit hole of Ningxia Red, there's an awesome book called The Wolfberry that Gary Young wrote. Also the website Ningxia Red. I mean, the benefits are endless. We love this product. So you're going to be hearing a lot about Ningxia Red. I hope you enjoy the taste. My kids love it. I give it to my horses. My dogs have it. So it's very versatile. And of course, you would get a diffuser with your kit. You might have gotten this gorgeous Desert Mist. You might have gotten the Aria. Maybe you got the Rainstone. Maybe you got the Dewdrop. They're all awesome diffusers. Enjoy your kit. Please reach out if you have any questions. And like I said, there is an abundance of resources. So definitely stay in touch with us.